Once in a city lived a person who was very wealthy, but despite having immense wealth, he had desire to get more money. One day, he got to know that a monk has arrived in his city. He went to monk, invited him in his house, and served him well. Pleased with his service, before leaving, monk gave him 4 lamps. Giving all 4 lamps, monk told him, "Son, whenever you need money, light first lamp and holding it, walk in east direction, and when it extinguish, dig at that place and you will get money. After that, if you need more money, light second lamp and holding it, walk in west direction till it gets extinguished, and when you dig there, you will get immense wealth buried in the ground. Even if then your need of money is not fulfilled, light third lamp and walk in south direction and dig at a place where it extinguish, and you will get money. In end, you will be left with only 1 lamp and 1 direction, but don't light that lamp ever and go in that direction." Saying this, the monk left. As soon as the monk left, the man lit up first lamp and walked toward east. Lamp extinguished in forest. When he dug there, he found a pot which was filled with silver and gold ornaments. Seeing this, the man got very happy and thought of using other lamps too. So he lit up the second lamp, which extinguished at a lonely place where he found a chest full of gold coins. After this, his greed increased more, and he lit up the third lamp too, which extinguished under a tree where he found a pot filled with diamonds and pearls. Even after getting all this, the man wanted to get more money, so he thought about using fourth lamp too, which monk had forbidden him to use. But blinded by greed, he thought, there must be more wealth hidden, but monk does not want me to go there because he wants to keep that money for himself. So he decided to lit up the fourth lamp too. He lit up the fourth lamp and started walking toward north. And while walking, he reached a solitude place where lamp extinguished. He started digging there. He saw a door under the ground. When he opened that door, he saw some stairs going under the ground. He was very excited and expecting a large treasure. With great curiosity, he went down the stairs. He saw that there is a big luxurious palace which has many rooms. The greedy person entered the palace and started looking for money. When he opened door of first room, he found diamonds and jewels. Seeing this, his eyes dazzled. Then he opened another room. He found gold and ornaments. After going further, he heard sound of floor mill running. He went in direction of that sound and opened the door of that room. He saw an old man grinding a floor mill. Man asked him, "Hey, who are you and how did you get here?" The old man said, "Friend, will you run this mill for a while? I want to take break, and while resting, I will tell you the whole story, how and why I got here." The man thought that old man must be having information about more money hidden in this palace, so he agreed. He sat at old man's place and started running mill. The old man stood up and started laughing loudly. Seeing this, the man was surprised and asked, "Why are you laughing like this?" And saying this, he was about to stop running mill. Just then, the old man said, "Don't stop, keep this mill running. From now on, this palace is yours and this mill as well. You have to keep running this mill all the time, because once mill stops, this palace will collapse and you will die by being buried under it." Taking deep breath, the old man further said, "I too had reached this place out of greed by lighting the last lamp. Since then, I am running this mill here. My entire youth was spent running this mill." Saying this, the old man was about to leave. The greedy man shouted, "Hey friend, before leaving, at least tell me, how can I get rid of this mill?" The old man smiled and replied, Unless someone greedy like you comes here and start running this mill, you will not be able to get rid of this mill and this palace. And from that day on, greedy man kept running mill and cursing himself while waiting for someone to come and replace him. If we see in our life, we will find that often we let go of many good things in our life because of our greed of having even better. Our human nature is such that we always want better and better, but sometimes in the desire to get something better, we are deprived of even what we already have. We let go of many good things in our life which could have given us satisfaction and made us happy. Because greed is a bottomless pit which has no end, and when a person falls in it, he just keeps falling. But it does not mean that we should not try to achieve something better in our life. But in the greed of getting something better, make sure that we are not deprived of what we already have. Therefore, it is very important to be satisfied in life because greed has no limits. This is Words of Wisdom, Inspirational Stories. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.